Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Research. We are in the series of effective ways of doing research. In today's video, we are going to see how to read a research paper. I am going to share you some important tips that you can follow and easily read the research papers in an effective way. So let's check it out. Number 1, begin by reading introduction and not the abstract. Friends, I believe authors specify the conclusion kind of thing, a summary kind of thing in abstract. So it is always suggested to start with reading introduction because abstract contains a succinct summary of the entire paper. Thus, it is suggested to read the introduction of the paper so you will have a clear understanding of how the paper is designed or what are the important methodology or what are the important techniques that I have covered in the paper. Number 2, identify the big question. Rather than focusing what the paper is about, focus what's the problem that has been identified and tried to solve. This will give you a different mindset approach of agenda oriented research, and you will identify the evidence that are present in a paper to solve that particular problem. Number 3, summarize the background in 5 sentences or less. Once you start reading the paper, always make a note of writing your way of summary related to paper. Just try to put it down in 5 to 6 lines of what you observed from the paper, or what is the approach, what are the techniques, what are the experiments, whatever it is. Just try to put it down in 5 to 6 sentences. The next important thing to cover is identify the approach and research methods. Just try to understand after reading the paper what are the approaches that has been experimented in the work in the research paper, or what are the methods that have been enlisted to apply a certain technique. Then next, read the results section. Once you have reached to results section after covering the research methodology and experimental work, it is better to have a glance of a result. Try to understand each experiment, each figure or graph if have been provided in the paper. Try to have a glance of what are the results that have been achieved. Does the author able to solve the research question that has been framed in the introduction part? Then you can form your own interpretations after reading the result section, what you feel about overall paper. Next section comes as conclusion or discussion section. The important question to answer is what the authors think about the results. What are your perspective on the results achieved? Can you come up with some alternative way of interpreting them? Are there any weaknesses mentioned in the paper? Is there any future work that has been explained that can be interpreted or can be taken forward? The next last point is now go back to the beginning and read the abstract. Now you will understand the paper and interpretation of the author more easily. Now it makes sense to read the entire abstract and have a glance about it. So these are the important sections that you have to highlight while reading a research paper. In particularly when you are doing a literature review, I would suggest you to make an Excel kind of sheet just to have a glance or covering what are the sections that you have been identified, and just try to write it down in 1 or 2 sentences in summary kind of thing in your own words. This will not only help you to draft your final research paper related to literature review, but also will keep a track of like what are the papers, how many papers you have considered, what are the main research techniques that have been identified, and what is the summary conclusion. Is there any other thing focusing about certain paper? So it is always helpful to have an Excel kind of sheet for every research paper that you read. So these are some important steps that you must take care while reading a research paper. I hope following these steps, you can easily target to read 20 research papers in a day. Just set some particular time aside for every research paper. Just go through this, follow the important sections as I have mentioned in this video, and you'll see that you can easily cover 20 research papers in a day. I hope you enjoy watching this video and this technique works for you even. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.